first phase. Campaigning for the first phase of Lok Sabha election in Meghalaya ended today at 4 p.m. Voting is scheduled to be held on April 19th. As many as 10 candidates are in fray for the Meghalaya and Tura parliamentary constituencies. Chief Electoral Officer Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari said that the preparations are on in full swing and polling parties would start moving to their polling stations from today itself. Poll personnel of around 762 polling stations under P1 today have been dispatched along with the security teams. Around 30,000 to 35,000 personnel, including security personnel, are involved in conducting this giant exercise. There will be altogether 3,512 polling stations, including 2,288 in Shillong parliamentary constituencies and 1,224 in Tura parliamentary constituency. According to Tiwari, 3 FIRs on poll-related campaigns have been received till now and 12,617 arms have been deposited. The seizures have also gone all-time high in this election as seizures worth rupees 43.13 crore have been made throughout the state.
And the security personnel, etc. So at all level, our preparation, their training and all arrangements. We have more than 44 crore rupees either pre-MCC and post-MCC altogether, including the liquor, precious metals, cash, drugs, etc. And in respect to the law and order, we had the under the different section of the CRPC, total 1,938 people has been bound down, etc.
Meanwhile, in Rebhoi district, the police department